What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Detroit Love, with another video. Here's a quick look at what not to do when wanting to install a trackball. So I've never used one of these before, but look like that just screws off and then fits in there, and then this screws back on. Then we can start our hole, and I figured we would start the hole right in the center of the the speaker hole, and that's where we're going to go from. All right, but I think I want to test this on something else first. So, since this is called a keyboard and mouse, we disconnected the cables for the keyboards or buttons, and we just have the mouse. So we connect our adapter, we connect our connector to the mouse. See the M? This one has a K for keyboard. So we hooked up, even though it shows a keyboard symbol on this, that goes to the mouse. So I unplug the dongle for Centipede, and I don't think we need to restart the computer, but we'll just restart EmulationStation. Centipede. Put a coin in. Alright. Start. There we go. So it doesn't like that keyboard to be in there. So we'll have to just plug that up when we need it. Alright. So now we just need to get this installed, and the orientation is such, you would think it'd be this way because it says you're reading this way, but it's that way. You see that? Pushing up. Oh, come on. So this cord has to go that way. Something. Keep hello. Whoa, hello. All right, let's get that out the way. Well, I put on this I put this trackball on here. It's not well done. I made some mistakes, you know, but it works. So I can play Centipede. I can play Centipede, Millipede, all those type of games, no problem. Doesn't spin as freely, probably spins as well as the stock Arcade1Up spinner or trackball does. I'm still going to get the golden T, so it's not really a big deal, but it at least makes my Galaga. Allows you to play, you know, the trackball games. Now, I can play Golden Tee on here, but because the location of this trackball is not ideal for such a game. Holy cannoli. You know, you can't get that huge spin just because of the location of it. So, I'm not trying to... I didn't put it in for that, because I'm going to get the Golden Tee. And the Golden Tee game, goodness! The Golden Tee game is a portrait. This spider is really bugging me. He's making me use all my quarters up. So this is strictly for the vertical games, because the Golden Tee will be the horizontal games. I like playing games in the natural orientation. So I have a trackball in here, and I'll have a trackball on the Golden Tee. But I'll play the vertical games on this one and the horizontal games on the Golden Tee. Whew. Are you kidding me, spider? And this is much easier than Millipede. Millipede, they throw everything at you. What the? Oh, it dropped that. It dropped that mushroom. Usually I have a free man for losing a life. Or just before I lose a life. Come on. My high score is only 22,848, so not a pro by any stretch of the imagination. But it's good to play. Good to be able to play when you want to play. Whoa, hello. I am dead. Well, that's it. I still have this ring to put on here. It's a little too deep, so I have to cut off an edge with a saw some kind of way. So I got to figure that out. I didn't drill my holes properly, so I can't, if I put all 4 of the rivets in, then the ball is not playable because it shifts it incorrectly. So I just have the 2 bolts in, which is fine. I'm able to do. Let me put my name up here while I'm playing. I have to put my real initials in now, since I put the C by mistake. All right, so CWB is in 3rd place. Let me have some of my adult beverage, but it's nice having the trackball. So just so you know, this trackball that I purchased was designed to sit on top, just loose. I mean, it's just crazy. Like, why make that thing? And so this control panel is like 1/2 inch thick. So there's no way I could have set that thing under it and have it even be seen from the top, let alone playable. So I took the half of the plastic off and just mounted it in here, which is just fine for the application. But I screwed my holes, I believe this one here, slightly off. So I may try to fix that, but yeah, it's no big deal. It's not for sale. It's just for myself. And I can play Centipede, Millipede, and a few other games. There's a few shooting games that you use to target with it. So I'm happy with it, you know. But looking forward to Golden Tee coming up. All right, guys. Well, this is just a quick video, and you know, for me, quick is about 7 minutes. So subscribe, comments below, like, dislike, whatever you want to do. Until next time, I'll see you on the web.